The story of little Rahim, the boy with big dreams. Rahim was a 10-year-old boy who lived in a small village. He was smart, kind, and always wanted to become a doctor one day. But life was hard. His father was sick, and his mother worked in the fields. There was not enough money for food, books, or school. One day, a man came to Rahim's village and said, "Come work in the city. You will earn good money." Rahim thought, "If I work, I can help my family and save money for school." He agreed to go with the man. But when Rahim reached the city, things were not good. The man made him work in a factory. The room was hot, dark, and full of smoke. Rahim worked from morning till night. He was always tired, hungry, and sad. He had no time to study. He missed his school and friends. One day, a kind lady from a child rights group came to the factory. She saw Rahim working and was shocked. She said, "This is wrong. He is a child. He should be in school, not in a factory." She called the police. The man who brought Rahim was arrested. The lady told Rahim, "Child labor is against the law. Children should learn, play, and grow, not work like adults." Rahim was taken back to his village. With help from the government and the child rights group, he got free books and joined school again. He was so happy. He worked hard in school, and one day, Rahim became a doctor just like he had dreamed. Now, Rahim teaches children and tells them, "Don't let anyone take away your childhood. Say no to child labor. You have the right to education and a bright future." Special message on World Day Against Child Labor. Child labor is illegal. Every child has the right to go to school, to play, and to dream big. On World Day Against Child Labor, let us say together, let children learn, not earn. Say no to child labor. Thanks for watching.